Now, this has been adapted to Amazon sellers. You can easily adjust it if you sell on eBay or Etsy, Walmart, etc. All you have to do is adjust these labels. These are just text labels, so you can just edit it and it won't change anything. For example, this one shows you with Amazon referral fee. Change this to eBay referral fee, Etsy referral fee, Walmart referral fee for whatever platform that you are trying to get the break-even calculation for. So it's broken up into 3 sections. The first is the variable cost, and this pertains to the cost of the products. So everything related to the products, you will enter it here. As I said, go in and change or readjust anything that you need. But try to be as detailed as possible, because what you're trying to do is make sure that you know exactly how many units you have to sell to break even, the total number of sales or sales value, and how many months it's going to take for you to break even. So the more detailed you become with this, the better. Because if I say, for example, if I delete these last 3, and right now it says 561, but if I delete this and then it comes out as 126, it's going to make it look like I have to sell way less than I actually do to break even. So all the product related costs are going to be entered here. The second section is the variable cost as a percentage. Now this is where you enter things like your commissions. I have the return rate entered here as well, because I like to include that as my cost of goods sold. On your account, if you go into Amazon Seller Central, you can see what your return rate is. So go into like the business reports, and then you can see the customer return rate. For our account, it's about 2 to 2.3%. So if I want to do 2.2 to 2.3, and then let me just expand that a bit, it's going to give me a much more accurate value for the total cost again. And so when I do this, I've got 17.3% as well added to the unit cost, which adds up to $2.6. My selling price is currently $15. And so the total cost per unit is $8.21 after I include all the cost of goods sold, the landed cost, the freight, etc., duties, tariffs, fees, referral fees, return rates. So all up, this product is going to be costing me $8.21 from an account basis. With a selling price of $15, that means my profit margin is $6.80. This is going to be closer to the gross profit, because I haven't added any operating costs into this section. If I wanted to add things like advertising, insurance, payroll, other direct labor, let's say car expenses, travel expenses, etc., then you can add that, and then this final profit margin will actually become your operating profit. Same with this. Right now, it's closer to a gross margin, but if I did something like 15% as our operating cost, which is actually we're like closer to 17 to 18%. So if I do 17%, then my operating profit is going to be 28.3%, and that's actually very good. But for the purpose of this, I'm trying to figure out the break even based on just the product alone. So my profit margin, gross profit, I'm going to change it back to 45.3. And if I am trying to order 2,000 and I estimate 100 units sold, then my total investment is going to be this value. And based on this total investment, the number of break-even units that I have to sell is going to be 2,415. So what does this mean? When you look at this number, 2,415, it actually is higher than the quantity to order, 2,000. So it means I need to sell more than I actually have on hand, which means that my selling price is too low and that this product is not going to be able to be breaking even on its own. If I have other products where it's helping to generate business and drive cash flow, then yeah, this could work. But if you're looking at, if you're trying to calculate a product purely so that it can stand on its own, then you have to increase this selling price so that this is either less than the quantity ordered. So if I do like 17, then it's going to tell me that, okay, it's close. So 17 is still not going to be the optimal price. So I have to sell it on Amazon for like between $17 to $18. And that means I only have to sell 1,881 units to break even. So the remaining 120 units or so is going to be pure profit. This is going to mean I need to sell 33.8K dollars of sales, and it's going to take me 19 months if I assume that I sell 100 units per month. And so that's what this calculator is, and that way it will give you a better idea of what you should be pricing at, getting a look at all the different costs associated and the factors related to trying to break even, and making sure that you make the best decision possible for the strategy that you are employing. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you.